Dear children, welcome grade 7. This is our Hindi 3L video. In last video, we saw that the lesson part 4, lesson 4 Raksha Bandhan. Do you remember that? Yeah, that is the one of Hindus festival. Just I recall that lesson in English. Do you know that already the Raksha Bandhan is passed in last week? Yeah, and what is that story? Raksha Bandhan means what? India is a country of festival. Different type of festival are celebrated in our country, and Raksha Bandhan also one of them. It has its own special signification. What is that? That is Raksha. In ancient times, Kshatriyas were engaged in war, conquering other countries that used to be their main task. His sword is used to go in the cheetahs in the rainy season. Rain used to be a hindrance to the war. At the time, the sisters were also worried about saving their existence in the dire situation of war. Therefore, on this day, she used to tie a thread of protection on the wrist of her brother. So that is called Raksha. That is protection thread. That is called nowadays Raksha Bandhan. Who ties to whom? Sisters ties that Raksha to her brother's wrist. In return, when they return, the brothers used to promise to protect their lives without carrying about their lives. They used to bring what is the festival special of on those days on that Raksha Bandhan day? What is that special? On the occasion time, they used to bring fertile soil 11 days before the full moon day of Shravan month, that is in a Avani month, Madam, and filling that soil in the pots like barley or wheat used to be sown in it. And next, in the evening of full moon, all the children and aged peoples, persons carrying the sown pots and came out of their houses with, and after going to same holy place, break the pots and bring the home that cook vegetables, that in a pujaria. After this, everyone to see each other and meet with love and sharing that food, making food. And also not only Hindus, Muslims also celebrate this festival. Which one? That is Raksha Bandhan festival. Raksha Bandhan is actually the festival of brother and sister. For the good wishes of the brother, the sister likes the thread of protection in the hands of her brother. Brother and sisters get really after taking a bath in the morning. Sister worship plate decorate in a puja ki thaliyon mein wo decorate karke. There are many festivals in India like Onam, Raksha Bandhan, Dasara also, but this is a very festival. This is the very special festival, Raksha Bandhan. This is called a brothers and sister festival. Now, in this video, hereafter we will discuss about our book back exercise, the page number 16 and the meanings also. So you listen very carefully and take your bookmark page number 16 and you to write the answer in our book. For listen the first one, first Roman. Sabdard, meaning in English. Already I taught in our online class also. The so many meanings are there. That meanings the same in a video also. Excuse me. The first one, Parva. Parva means what? Festival. Prachin Kal. The another meaning of Parva, Tyohar also. Do you remember that in a previous class also you studied that? Parva, Tyohar, both are the same meaning in English, festival. Prachin Kal. Prachin Kal means ancient period or that olden days, on those days. Akraman. Akraman means attack. Attack, that is attack to other country. Sajdaj, decorate. Sajdaj means decorate. Daha, thread. That is Raksha Daha. That is Daha means thread. Yuddha. Yuddha means war. Purnamasi, full moon day. That is full moon. Upujao. Upujao means fertile. Bujari. Bujari means cooked vegetable. Swadista. Swadista means tasty. Once again I recall the same meaning. Listen. Parva, Tyohar, the another meaning also there. That is Tyohar, Parva, the both are the same meaning in English, festival. Prachin Kal, that is ancient period. Akraman, attack. Sajdaj, decorate. Daha, thread. Yuddha, war. Purnamasi, full moon. Upujau, fertile. Bujari, cooked vegetables. Swadista, tasty. And next you see on the screen, Manaya. Manaya means celebrate. My children, already I taught this meaning. Those who are not write this meaning in our book, please take your book and underline these difficult words and write their meaning in your book. Because when you are refer this lesson, that meanings are very useful too for your studies. Then vocabulary also it is very useful. Manaya. Manaya means celebrate. Talware. Talware means swords. Kalai. Kalai means wrist. Badak, obstacle. Raksha, protection. Jau, barley. Pavitra, holy. Upahar, gift. Pakavan, dish. Avasar, moment. Once again I recall the same. Manaya, celebrate. Talware, swords. Kalai, wrist. Badak, obstacle. Raksha, protection. Jau, barley. Pavitra, holy. Upahar, gift. Pakavan, dish. Avasar, moment. You see the next Roman Ulte Shabda. In our book there are few meanings or the Ulte Shabda are there. For example, 6 only in our book, but I extra Ulte Shabda also there will given. So you listen very carefully. Apna. Apna means own. Paraya, others. Varsha Krutu, Grishma Kruto. Varsha Krutu, Grishma Krutu. That is rainy season, summer season. Yuddha, Shant. Violence, non-violence or Yuddha, war. Shant, peace. Sabere, morning. Sham, evening. Fodna, Jodna. Fodna means to broke. Jodna means to collect or to join. Prem, love. Nafrat, hate. Mangal, Amangal. Mangal means goodness or Amangal means badness. Are you hear that words in Mangalagaramana in Tamil word and Amangalama Pesada? Our parents also told like this. So the same meaning, Mangal means goodness, Amangal that bad moment or badness. Vijay, Parajay. Vijay, victory. Parajay, defeat. Bandhna, to tie up. Kholna, to open or remove. Zyada, more. Come, less. Once again I tell the Hindi meaning and opposites, then their meaning, English meaning also. Listen very carefully. The first one, ulte shabda opposites. Apna, paraya. That means own, myself or other self, ours, others. Varsha Krutu, rainy season. Grishma Krutu, summer season. Yuddha, war. Shant, peace. Violence and non-violence also, here we will take that. Sabere, Sam, morning. Sam, evening. Fodna, to broke. Jodna, to joined. Prem, love. Nafrat, hate. Mangal, goodness. Amangal, badness. Vijay, victory. Parajay, defeat. Bandhna, to tie up. Kholna, to remove. Zyada, more. Come, less. Now you see the next one. See on the screen. The third Roman is Vachan Badliye. That is, what is that meaning, Vachan Badliye? That is, give the plural forms. Ma, the in our book also the same, the six meaning, six vachan badliye is there, but in a four extra some vachan badliye I will add here. Listen very carefully. First one is kritu, krituye, that is season, seasons. कृतु का मतलब क्या है? सीजन, सीजन्स. बाई, बाई, ब्रदर, ब्रदर. Bujari, bujariya. What is that meaning? Bujari, already we saw that now in our lesson. Cooked vegetable, bujari, bujariya, cooked vegetables. Fourth one, rakhi, that is on a thread, like a thread. Rakhiya, threads. Mitai, sweet. Mitaiya, sweets. Thali, thali, plate. Thaliya, plates. Talwar, sword. Talware, swords. Gar, gar, house, house. Ped, ped. Tree, trees. Phal, phal. Fruit, fruits. Once again I revise the same one. Ritu, rituye, that is season, seasons. Bai, bai, brother, brothers. Bujari, bujariya, cooked vegetable. Bujariya, cooked vegetables. Rakhi, rakhiya, that is one kind of thread. Rakhi, thread, rakhiya, threads. Mitai, mitaiya, sweet, sweets. Thali, thaliya, plate, plates. Talwar, talware. Sword, swords. Gar, gar. Ped, ped. Tree, tree. Phal, phal. Fruits, fruits. And you see the next one. Riktistan bariye. That means fill in the blanks. What is that? Riktistan bariye, fill in the blanks. Dear children, take our book, that book page number 16. You too write the correct answer in our book. That is in a write in with a pencil. You see on the screen the first one. Bharat dash ka desh hai. Bharat parvon ka desh hai. India is a what is that? That means India is a country of festival. Next, second one. Hindu hi nahi, Musalman bhi Rakhi ka त्योहार manate hai. Not only a Hindu people, the Muslims also celebrate this. What? The Raksha Bandhan festival. Who celebrate? Muslims also. रक्षा बंधन वास्तव में भाई बहन का त्योहार है. Really, the Raksha Bandhan is the brothers and sisters festival. बहन पूजा की थाली सजाती है. On the day, that Raksha Bandhan day, all glass plate. थाली means plate. रक्षा बंधन में स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए जाते हैं. On Raksha Bandhan day, very tasty food or dishes they will make when that Raksha Bandhan day. Swadishta means yeah, tasty. Pakwan means dish or the food. Once again I revise the same. Bharat parvon ka desh hai. India is a festival, India is a country of festival. Parvo means festival. Hindu hi nahi, not only Hindu people, Musalman bhi Rakhi ka त्योहार manate hai. Muslims also celebrate this Rakhi festival, that is Raksha Bandhan festival. Third one, Raksha Bandhan वास्तव में भाई बहन का त्योहार है. Actually, this festival, that Raksha Bandhan festival is brother and sisters festival. Fourth one, बहन पूजा की थाली सजाती है. थाली means plate. On the day, that Raksha Bandhan day, all the sisters they decorated that puja's plate. Fifth one, रक्षा बंधन में स्वादिष्ट पकवान बनाए जाते हैं. स्वादिष्ट मीन्स टेस्टी. पकवान डिश और फूड. On the day, Raksha Bandhan day, our home we very tasty food when Raksha Bandhan day. And you see the next Roman, that is also in our book, the page number 17. You listen very carefully and write their answer. Sahi galat likhiye, write a true or false. The first one is हमारे देश में तरह तरह का त्योहार मनाया जाता है. In our country, there are different types of festival are celebrated. ये वाक्य सही या गलत है? The sentence is right or wrong? Yeah, in our country celebrated many different and kinds of festivals. So that line, that sentence is right, सही. Second one, अमावास के दिन, that is अमावास के दिन means अमावास्या in Tamil, you know that is पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे. अमावास के दिन पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते हैं. that यह वाक्य सही या गलत है? गलत. केवल once again I recall the second one. अमावास के दिन, that is पूर्णमासी, full moon. Amavas means new moon day. In Tamil also our parent told, no, today innike Amavasai, Paurnami, like that. Amavas means new moon day. That is peoples are take that fertile mud in a new moon day. That is right or wrong? Sahi ya galat hai? गलत. Because on पूर्णमासी के दिन पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे. इसलिए यह वाक्य सही या गलत, क्योंकि अमावास के दिन नहीं, पूर्णमासी के दिन पूर्व उपजाऊ मिट्टी लाते थे. इसलिए यह वाक्य गलत है. On new moon day they will bring a fertile mud. That is wrong sentence. False. And now you listen the third one. केवल हिंदू लोग ही रक्षाबंधन मनाते थे. The Rakshabandhan, Hindus people only they celebrated this Rakshabandhan. Is it correct or wrong? Wrong. Because not only Hindu, the other religions peoples also, like Muslims also celebrate this Rakshabandhan festival. केवल हिंदू लोग ही रक्षाबंधन मनाते हैं. यह वाक्य गलत, क्योंकि केवल हिंदू ही नहीं, मुसलमान लोग भी यह राखी का त्योहार मनाते हैं. इसलिए यह वाक्य गलत. फोर्थ वन, सचमुच रक्षाबंधन खुशी और पवित्र प्रेम का त्योहार है. दिस फेस्टिवल, विच वन? द रक्षाबंधन फेस्टिवल इज हैप्पी एंड पीस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द रक्षा, सचमुच रक्षाबंधन खुशी और त्योहार, खुशी और पवित्र प्रेम का त्योहार है. This festival, which one? The Rakshabandhan festival brings happy and purity for all. So this is सही या गलत है? यह वाक्य सही या गलत? सही. सचमुच रक्षाबंधन खुशी और पवित्र प्रेम का त्योहार है, इसलिए यह वाक्य सही है. And next Roman, you see that the fifth Roman, प्रश्नोत्तर. Answer the following. Answer the following. The first question is, रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार कब मनाया जाता है? What is that? रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार कब मनाया जाता है? When is Rakshabandhan festival celebrated? When is this festival celebrated? श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा के दिन रक्षाबंधन मनाया जाता है. On full moon day, on Avani Madam, that is in a Hindi word, Shravan Mas. On that month, this festival Rakshabandhan celebrated. Rakshabandhan celebrated on Shravan Mas की full moon day. Second one, बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है? बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है? On that Rakshabandhan day, that is meaning in English, what does sister tie in brother's hand? Which day? That Rakshabandhan day, what does sister tie in brother's hand? What? बहन भाई के हाथों में रक्षा सूत्र बांधती है. That is protection thread. காவல் கயிறு அப்படிங்கிறது in Tamil. So बहन भाई के हाथों में रक्षा सूत्र, that is राखी, like that राखी बांधती है. Brother sisters ties in her brother's hand राखी, where in her brother's wrist. थर्ड वन, भाई बहन के लिए क्या देते हैं ऑन द डे. भाई बहन के लिए क्या देते हैं. व्हाट डज ब्रदर गिव टू सिस्टर. भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देते हैं. उपहार मीन्स गिफ्ट. So like a money or any one items, ornaments, any one gift the brothers give to his sister. भाई बहन के लिए क्या देते हैं. What does brother give to sister. भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देते हैं. Brother give to his sister what? Gift. उपहार means gift. And fourth one, रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको क्या खिलाते हैं. What do we give on रक्षाबंधन to everyone on the day. रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको मिठाई खिलाते हैं. On the day we will give two sweets to everyone because we share our love and peace also. So रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको मिठाई खिलाते हैं. What is that? On the day we will give two sweets to everyone. Once again I recall the 4 question answers. Listen very carefully. रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार कब मनाया जाता है. I will give us some clue. You see that कब means when. You remove that you write answer. श्रावण मास की पूर्णिमा के दिन रक्षाबंधन मनाया जाता है. सेकेंड वन, बहन भाई के हाथों में क्या बांधती है. यू रिमूव द क्वेश्चन वर्ब क्या and write it the answer raksha sutra, that is rakhi. Rakhi also the correct answer ma. You write the both answer raksha sutra or rakhi, both are correct. बहन भाई के हाथों में रक्षा सूत्र बांधती है. And third one, भाई बहन के लिए क्या देते हैं on the day. What is it? What does brother give to sister. भाई बहन के लिए उपहार देते हैं. ब्रदर गिव टू हिज सिस्टर गिफ्ट. रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको क्या खिलाते हैं. ऑन दैट व्हाट डू वी गिव ऑन रक्षाबंधन टू एवरीवन. वी विल गिव टू स्वीट्स. रक्षाबंधन के दिन सबको मिठाई खिलाते हैं. And you see the next one. Ma, do you remember that is self introduction in first class. We taught all the G taught this one. Again I revise the same. Namaste, Suprabhat. Namaste is the general word. Whenever you see your G or any one person, you say in a morning time or evening time or nighting time, Namaste. That is in Tamil, Vanakkam. But in especially we will give the correct wishing in morning time. Suprabhat. Suprabhat means what is that? Good morning. Sub dopahar, that is good afternoon. Subh sham, good evening. Shubh raat, good night. Mera naam dash hai. How do you say that? Mera naam दिनेश है, कपिनेश है, हनुष्का है, एनी वन नेम यू हैव टू फिल इट. दैट इज इन इंग्लिश माई नेम इज डैश. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, मैं छठी और 7वीं और 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रहा हूँ. आई एम स्टडीइंग इन 6th, 7th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड. एंड नेक्स्ट वन यू सी दैट एनी वन आस्क्ड टू यू व्हाट इज योर स्कूल नेम. मेरा स्कूल का नाम. तुम्हारा स्कूल का नाम क्या है. हाउ डू यू से दैट आंसर. मेरा स्कूल का नाम ट्रिनिटी इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है. एंड 5th वन, मैं अपने परिवार के साथ नामक्कल में रहता हूँ. तुम कहाँ रहते हो. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. देन हाउ डू यू से द आंसर. मैं अपने परिवार के साथ नामकल में रहता हूँ. And next one, मैं एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. What is your aim? What is your goal? तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? The answer is मैं एक डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर और एक किसान और एक अध्यापिका. Anyone you have to. मैं एक डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ. I want to become a doctor. And last one, धन्यवाद. And you see the next one also. In last week, the पर्यायवाची शब्द दिन दिवस. This also we will add in a extra. That is some पर्यायवाची. What is that meaning? पर्यायवाची equal meaning. The same meaning in Hindi. Din divas, day, days. Sorry, din also the same meaning, day. Divas also day meaning. Prabhat subah, morning. Prem pyar. Prem का पर्यायवाची शब्द love, that is प्यार. School. School means विद्यालय, that is in our school, Trinity School. Khatam समाप्त, over or completed. Raja Naresh. Raja means king, you know very well. Excuse me. Naresh also the same meaning. Katha Kahani. Katha also in Tamil. Do you hear this word kadai? The same like Cohen said that word katha. Katha means story. Kahani also. Suraj Ravi. Sun. Pavan, Hava, air. Akash, Nab. Akash, the sky. Once again I revise the meaning. Paryayvachi shabd. Paryayvachi shabd means the equal meaning. That same meaning in Hindi. Din, divas. Both meaning in English, day. Prabhat, subah. That is morning. Prem, pyar, love. School, vidyalay. School in our Pathasala also is there. Katham Samapt, over, complete, closed, get over. Raja Naresh, king. Katha Kahani, story. Suraj Ravi, that is sun. Pavan Hava, that is in air. Akash Nab, sky. And you see the next one. Megh Badal, clouds. Sitara Nakshatra, stars. Krodh Gussa means angry. Krodh also angry. Prasanna Kushi, happy. We already use in Tamil Kushiya irukku, like that. Komal Naram, soft. Tan Sarir, our body. Sarir tan, body. Mitra dost, friend. Pratham Avval, first. Pratham means first. Avval, मैं परीक्षा में अव्वल आऊँगा. That is in a first. Muskil taklif, difficulties. Trouble, like that. Sansar Dunia, that is the world. Once again. Megh Badal, clouds. Sitara Nakshatra, what is that? Stars. Krodh Gussa, angry. Prasanna Kushi, that is happy. Komal Naram, softness. Tan Sarir, both are the same meaning, body. Mitra dost, friend. Pratham Avval, first. Muskil taklif, trouble or difficulties. Sansar Dunia, world. And you see on the next one, Bolchal, that is conversation. Already in before we saw that self introduction. This is a Bolchal. My dear children, this also you write in your classwork. This is very useful for our conversation. You listen. The first one is Aavo, come. The next one is IEA. What is the difference between Aavo and IEA? avo we used to in our equal person and in a younger comparing than for us. நம்மளை விட கீழே வயசு கம்மியாக இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு ஆர் நம்மளுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கெல்லாம் how do we use that avo. For example, your friend came to your home, then what do you say on the time? Avo. If your G or your auntie or uncles came to your home, what do you say? Aiye. That is aiye is a respectful word. That time you don't use avo. That is come. Aiye, please come. That is give a respecting. ஐ வாண்ட் டு டெல் இன் தமிழ். அதாவது நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு நமக்கு ஈக்குவலான பர்சனோ நம்மளுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோ நம்மளை விட வயசில் கம்மியானவங்க யாராவது வந்தால் ஆவோ வி கேன் யூஸ் for in a elder person, our teachers, our relations like aunties, uncles, those peoples came to our home. What do you say? Aiye. That is please come. Because we have to give a respect for our elders, no? So we use aiye. The same one, the second one, baito means sit. Baitiye, please sit. Give a respect. चाचा जी आप बैठिए, अध्यापक जी आप बैठिए, like that. For example, your friend, how do you say? सुधा तुम बैठो, सुधा तुम आवो, like this one. And next one, आप कैसे है, how are you? आप is, that is in a respectful, but in English you, but in a Hindi how do you say? For example, your friend in long days after you will meet your friend, what do you say? तुम कैसे हो. That you don't use आप, because that is आप is respectful word. आप कैसे है, how are you? मैं अच्छा हूँ, मैं कैसा हूँ, अच्छा हूँ, I am fine. And next one, आप कहाँ से आते हैं, where do you come from? आपके बदले हम अपने दोस्तों के लिए क्या प्रयोग चाहिए? तुम कहाँ से आते हो. For giving respect, आप कहाँ से आते हैं, where do you come from? And next one, मैं डैश से आता हूँ. For example, मैं बाजार से आता हूँ, मैं नामक्कल से आता हूँ, मैं मोहनूर से आता हूँ. Whatever you have to fill that colors dash. And next one, आपको क्या चाहिए, what do you want? Anyone came to our home, what do you want? என்ன வேணும் உங்களுக்கு? For in Tamil, what do you want? आपको क्या चाहिए? मुझे dash चाहिए, I need some water, I want milk, I want some pen, like that. मुझे कलम चाहिए, मुझे पानी चाहिए, मुझे किताब चाहिए, anyone you have to fill that. And ninth one, आप किताब पढ़िए, please read the book. आप किताब पढ़िए, you please read the book. आप आराम कीजिए, you please take rest. आप आराम कीजिए, you please take rest. Our lessons and book back exercise are get over, so you have to listen very carefully. Do you have any doubt, you ask to me. Dhanyavad. Thank you.